fucking stupid up there. Why are you... What the fuck? Sorry, I was heard. And school bus with their lights on for some reason.
Sipping another sip, then somebody said to me,
holy shit, look at that behind me. Really? Red light run, red light run, red light run. Red light run behind me. Got two of them and a cutoff as well. Red light run.
Split Louisiana chicken riverboat special sleeping next to our consoles to be our refuge.
Oh, what the hell is that behind me?
You won't be into becoming your very close ally, or to sanction them or do some other things that are not direct war. They went direct war. That's not something that you would expect on the world stage, but that's what they decided to do. But somehow Joe's audience.
Oh, poor doggy. Poor doggy. I was wondering why that guy was stopped. Yeah, take longer at this. Nice cut off. No stop. Humiliating kick in the crotch. Red light run, Screwborough.
Can't take it. Used to bump the Carter 3. I held my roller chain proud. I think my hard work.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Oh me, that's a mystery. Red light run, way up there. So way, but we're okay. Why are you blocking the way? It made me miss the light too, asshole. No, stop. You can't exactly make that left turn. It's still red. No, stop. We're gonna go 2 for 2. Hey, rolled a 2. Now I'm gonna stop because I'm not a hypocrite. And what about the guy behind me? Yeah, they just keep going as well. No, stop. Hey, 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 hey. Red light run, Toyo turd. I think I like. No, stop. You didn't stop either. Am I the only one that stops at these stop signs? Or am I just living on the moon or something? I don't know. I just want to watch a fucking movie in peace, but now I gotta deal with stop sign runners. Stop it! They talk about nothing. No, stop! Pick a bow. Wait, you get... It's a red light! It's like the second straight day I've found someone do that. No, stop!
This stuff personally about Japanese toilet culture in general. We were in Tokyo for a few days in 2017.
Yeah, you can go.
And even though we
got
stayed
honked
in a
at.
relatively low-budget hotel, the toilet I had in my ATF chose to continue the raid. And although the government story officially disputes it, footage of the raid is pretty clear in demonstrating that ATF agents began firing almost immediately upon arriving at the compound. They're just like, ring the bell. Oh,
yeah, it's some exit dive-ish situation.
No, damn it, it's too late.
When the Sumerians built their great ziggurats, they paid their workers in beer. When the Egyptians built the pyramids, they did it shit-faced on a
note behind me.
5 liters of beer a day.
All right.
At this point, I should explain to the list.
There's some asshole up there. Went around everybody just to go. Seriously? Yeah, a whole bunch of people are going straight from the left turn lane because they're idiots and assholes. Combination of both.
I'm willing to listen to better involve champagne and a woman about to have a terrible yeast infection.
No stop.
Now I'm interested in bottles. That I am. All right, Noah, what's the best name for your medieval brand of chunky beer? Is it A, Mud Light?
Are we crossing?
B?
All right, I'll let you go. I'll sing the song, but I'm streeing, but I'm streeing. Although I really don't blame them because there's a big ass snowbank on the sidewalk there. So, fuck you, snowbank. Shovel the sidewalks better in this. Buffalo needs to shovel the sidewalks better. So it's not their fault. I'm just making social commentary.